What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Today is going to be a quick guide on how I automate my option plays with interactive brokers. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, this trade was a Lotto Friday trade we took on NVIDIA. I posted this setup on Thursday. And what I liked about this play, guys, is we had the shotgun setup. It's one of my new favorite setups. Basically what it is, it's a long wick followed by an inside bar. And generally you could see here with NVIDIA, after inside bars, it tends to expand the range, not all the time, but that's one of the plays that I love to trade. So I've posted my levels and the setup right here on the Twitter as well as on YouTube. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and follow the Twitter so you can get free daily picks. All right, now on to the video. So what I wanted to do here is I wanted to short NVIDIA below 267.71 with the 265 puts. And I wanted to do that. I want to set it up the night before so it triggers during the day without me having to interact with the broker. So what I do right here, guys, is I'm on interactive brokers. And what I like to do is go to my watch list and I'm just going to type in NVIDIA, hit enter and go to options. So what you're going to see over here is in the top left, this is where your strikes are. So you can definitely do this for our swing trading. I love to do the same pattern on weekly, daily charts when I'm looking for longer term plays and I go 2 to 3 weeks out. Or if you want to day trade with longer options, you can do that as well. So there's obviously sometimes a little less risk because the less decay. So what I like to do from here is the left side is calls, the right side is puts. So let's say we want to take the 265 puts. I just go ahead, click that right here, guys, hit the X button, and then it'll pop up right here on your watch list. So from there, just going to right click and hit order ticket. And this is where you can set a condition on your option plays. So from here, you'll see we'll be on the basic tab first, and time and force, I generally leave this to the day. So it'll trigger the next day. You could actually have it as good to cancel. So it'll actually stay there. Let's say you always want to short NVIDIA when it's below a certain price, you can leave it there. All right. So we're going to keep it at day. And then what I like to do is I like to put this as market. You can use a limit. The problem with limit is sometimes it might miss your fill if it's when it activates, if it's not the price you want. As long as the slippage or the spread between the bid and ask is tight, I like to use market. With some liquid options, I don't do that because I know that I'm going to get a really bad fill. So from there, go to condition, hit add. Now from here, you have a lot of different ways to play this. Sometimes if you don't want to trade options in the morning because of the Greeks and sometimes they're inflated, you can actually set a time condition for this to trigger, let's say only after 10 o'clock. But for me, I like to use price. So we're going to go ahead next, type in NVIDIA as the underlying, hit the stock. And then in this case, I want it less than 271, right? Or whatever level you want. And then you just go ahead and hit finish. Then you hit transmit. From there, it'll be queued up in your orders, and this will actually become active when the market opens tomorrow. So once NVIDIA breaks below that price, it will buy those puts for you. All right. And then back to the trade over here. So from there, guys, there was 2 ways to enter this trade. The first one was with the levels, or the second one was the opening range breakout. And I have full guides in my resources page right here at tradingwars.com on these different setups and these different patterns if you guys are interested. And then from there, I just wanted to show you, take that break right below the first 5-minute bar, or the yellow line was our trigger. And I was able to make a decent amount on this guy. So I was able to walk with about 1,200. And I just want to put a disclaimer out there. My size, my profit's not going to be the same what you have. What I encourage you guys to do is make sure you're paper trading first. Make sure you understand the orders, and everyone's size is going to be different. But I just want to show you that's a trade that I actually took. All right. Otherwise than that, guys, in the description, I have a full written guide with interactive brokers here for you to check out. So if you want to read along the guide and check out the videos or some screenshots, check the description of the video and click on the link for more information. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. I want to thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe and follow for free daily picks. And just remember, guys, do your due diligence when you're doing this, and don't invest your money until you're confident in entering your orders and your trades and managing your risk. Thank you very much.